This is a 2020 GMC Sierra with the 6.2. It's all stock right at the moment. We're gonna change that out a little bit, get rid of these resonators on the rear, and put a single chamber V2 muffler on it, but leave it all stock coming off the engine. That'll give it some good sound. And we'll be right back with you after we do that. Okay, we've got the resonators deleted, as you can see. And we've got the VR10 V2 muffler on there. Still all stock coming off the manifolds. Left the cats on there. Let's see what it sounds like.